Prescott skies were sunny. Temperature was This is a severe thunderstorm warning for the Flagstaff listening area. The National Weather Service in Flagstaff has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Navajo County in north-central Arizona, Coconino County in north-central Arizona, until 8:30 a.m. Mountain Standard Time. At 7:52 a.m. Mountain Standard Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Winslow, moving northeast at 30 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts and half-dollar size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Winslow and Homolovi State Park Campground. This includes the following highways: Business Interstate 40 between mile markers 252 and 257. Interstate 40 between mile markers 242 and 260. State Route 87 between mile markers 340 and 368. State Route 99 between mile markers 41 and 68. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 8:30 a.m. Mountain Standard Time for the following counties in Arizona, Coconino, and Navajo. Following is a special weather statement for the Flagstaff listening area.